because we just made a little dog feeder.
No, it's a dog feeder?
Yeah. So the dog will eat out of the thing, and when you are done, do that, put it in the garbage. So when you're done with it, you can, and you also have multiple bags if you pop them. And so this is a very useful thing to feed your dogs. I also do music, and music is a very important thing to me on my living. But if you have these types of blocks, they are really fun, and they can be a dog thing, and you just need to tape it. It's like really easy. You don't need to hot glue it to the block, because if you hot glue it, it'll stay there forever, and you don't want to throw the blocks away. So,
right.
Mom, view it. If you don't have tape, just use duct tape.
Can you view it? Just sit
And-
on YouTube.
Show me how the track works.
The contraction works like this.
Wait, I got a bad idea. So you close it for dog comes.
And so the dog feeder, when it,
Mom, this is not trap. There's the dog feeder. I feed any dog in the world.
and the dog feeder can actually feed grown-up dogs,
Little dogs,
little dogs, even puppies.
even
You
tiny,
can even put,
flaming tyrant
you can even
poodles.
put water in here, but just make sure the water doesn't leak out and you don't put too much in. If you want both, you can make another one of these.
And make two.
And it's really easy to make. If your dog needs like a chewable stuff, it can also be you could put like water in it, just in case your dog has really teeny
Subscribe us, Fiddle, and we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Subscribe. Bye.